You are love. You are life. You are endless supply. You are going now into deep relaxation and deep learning as you get ready to sleep. With your eyes closed while you are asleep, your capacities for high learning and the expansion of your consciousness are improving. Tonight is the auspicious time for your subconscious to learn, to grasp, intellectually and emotionally, the highest form of knowledge you can receive. From this moment on, the statements and suggestions you are about to listen to will show their truth. Benefits will unfold more rapidly than you ever thought possible in the following days. You are appreciating this soothing truth, and so it all begins to unfold. You are present. You can hear, feel, see, taste, and smell the reality in the suggestions and statements you are about to listen to. You are identifying what doesn't work well for you, discarding and releasing completely and unconditionally, letting go of useless ideas, thoughts, and things, and still all your needs are met and your desires fulfilled timely. Therefore, tonight you release thought patterns that don't serve you well. Yes, you totally and unconditionally release anything that doesn't serve you and your purpose well. Let go of now all past dissatisfying ideas that aren't aligned with your new wealthy status. You are now releasing day by day all patterns of thought and feeling that aren't aligned with abundance, prosperity, and love. You are releasing all that day by day, past and future events that don't work for you. You are feeling freer and clearer already. Good, love, and abundance are now planted in you as you are moving on. You are love. You are life. As you fall asleep, you feel your power and learn about it. It unfolds daily. You are now expanding your comprehension and acceptance of your natural right to be, do, and have all the things you prefer. You are knowing now that everything that happens to you happens for you, and it all works out well. You think, speak, and act accordingly from this point on. You are serene, knowing it all works out well for you. You are accepting that your life's path is one of success. You learn fast and you succeed with joy. You are accepting that your life's path is one of success. You learn fast and you succeed with love. You are accepting that your life's path is one of success. You learn fast and you succeed gracefully, easier than you thought. You are experiencing like never before, your discernment and clarity to know what is in order and what isn't. You are the master of your emotions. You are love. You are life. You are endless supply. You are growing business savvy as days progress. Your brain and mind are fully collaborating with your purpose now. You are growing financially savvy starting now. Your brain and mind are fully collaborating with your purpose now. You are now grasping that kindness and appreciation carry you very high, fast, and pleasantly. You are pleased to feel kindness and love in your heart daily. It is becoming clear to you how love, kindness, and power are balancing out in favor of your abundance. You are balanced in your life now, better than ever before, and so you are one amongst the kind ones. You are love. You are life. You are endless abundance. You are grateful for the wealth that's coming.